Are you searching for the best air duct cleaning service but don't know where to begin? Stick around for all our expert advice and tips on how to avoid scams. To begin with, it's important to know that the pricing for air duct cleaning may vary extremely from one company to another, but the quality varies even more. Too many people are falling for scams because they are unaware what to look for. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what questions to ask. Make sure you're getting the best value for your money. First of all, you should look for a company that is certified by the National Air Duct Cleaners Association, otherwise known as NADCA. This association helps regulate air duct cleaning company by setting precise quality standards. To confirm if a company is truly certified, you will need to find an interactive logo on their website, which you can click on to get a live confirmation that they are truly certified. Be aware of companies that use the logo but have no certifications. Now, it's one thing to be NADCA certified, but it's also a good idea to ask about the individual's technician certifications who will be doing the cleaning. At Plus Montreal, we've been serving the Greater Montreal area since 1989, and all of our technicians have multiple certifications to serve you better. Now, for the equipment used. One of the most essential pieces of equipment that every company should be using is called the dust collector. This machine is equipped with a long vacuum hose that connects to your system. An access door is performed on your main air ducts to connect the hose. This will create a large vacuum throughout your entire system to collect all the dirt and debris that will be released during the cleaning process. Be aware of companies that only rely on the use of a vacuum cleaner to do the job. These are not real duct cleaning companies. A vacuum cleaner could be used, but only in combination with the dust collector. It's important to know there are two different types of dust collectors. The first one is a gas one that stays outdoors, and the second one is electric, which functions inside your home. Most companies will use an electric dust collector due to their low purchase costs, but they only offer 3 horsepower maximum. On the other hand, a gas collector is much more powerful because they usually range between 20 and 24 horsepower. At Plus Montreal, our truck mounts are equipped with 35 horsepower dust collectors to ensure that you get the maximum power for your cleaning. Another important advantage of a truck mount is that all the dirt and debris are immediately extracted outside and are filtered in the truck and not in your home. On the other hand, the electric dust collectors function indoors and have to filter all the dirt and debris before releasing the air back into your home. In this case, you have to make sure that the contractor uses HEPA filters in his equipment. You also need to verify that the filters are well maintained and that the machine itself doesn't have any leakages. All these verifications are important to make sure that there are no contaminants from previous jobs before you released back into the air. This is especially important considering that some contractors use their equipment on projects where mold and even asbestos is present. But you probably don't know how to make all these verifications. The good news is you don't have to. Any dust collector or even vacuum cleaner brought into your home should have periodically a verification of its filtration system. This verification is called a DOP test. A certificate for these tests should be found on the machines themselves. Note that all these verifications are not necessary when using a truck mount, because all the dirt and debris are evacuated outside and filtered in the truck. The second important piece of equipment used is the air compressor, which is crucial as it provides the blasting power needed to dislodge the dirt and debris inside your system and pushes them towards the suction hose, which evacuates everything to the truck. Just as for the dust collectors, there are also 2 types of air compressors. The first one is electric, and the second one is a gas one which remains in the truck. Note that a single 110 volt electric compressor should never be used due to its lack of power. At Plus Montreal, our trucks have high performance compressors, delivering more air volume than standard compressors used. This is to ensure the best cleaning possible for your system. Now let's talk about the step-by-step process for a thorough cleaning. The first step, as we mentioned earlier, is connecting the suction hose to the main air ducts near the furnace to create a powerful vacuum inside your system. All return and supply grills are carefully removed and cleaned. Next, a pneumatic whip combined with 175 psi of air pressure, which is supplied by the air compressor, is inserted in each vent and ran all the way down the duct with a long, flexible rod to ensure maximum coverage. This procedure is done for all supply and return vents. Be aware of companies that simply use an air gun to blow air into the vents, as this does absolutely nothing to clean your ducts and is part of the many scams out there. Now that the secondary ducts are all done, it's time to clean the main ducts in the basement. Openings are performed to insert the pneumatic cleaning tool. Note that on the larger main ducts, plastic plugs are not acceptable. They should only be used on much smaller ducts. Access doors are the way to go to allow good visual and a thorough cleaning. The pneumatic whipping process is repeated for the main ducts, as it blasts the dirt and debris towards a truck's suction hose. This ensures that all the dirt and debris are efficiently evacuated outside of your system. Also note that the ceiling joists in the basement are often used as air ducts. Be aware, as many companies will ignore them, but it is crucial to clean them as they tend to accumulate more dirt than other sections. Your unit should also be included, as it plays an important role in your central system. All the components should be thoroughly cleaned. Not only will this ensure better air quality, but also a more efficient system. If you have an electric heating element, it is crucial that it is protected during the cleaning to avoid damage to the system. Once the system has been thoroughly cleaned, one of the last steps, which is an optional one, is a complete decontamination of your system with a biodegradable product. This process is very beneficial when fungi, such as mold, are suspected to be present inside the system. We use 100% natural products which contain no chemicals and which are approved by Health Canada. They are extremely safe even for the most sensitive people. This treatment comes with our 3-year warranty. You can find more information on our website. Once the work is completed, all of the openings are sealed up with a metallic plate combined with a high-quality contour insulator, according to the NatGas standard. This is to ensure no air leaks. These access doors will be useful for future cleaning. Now, as far as pricing goes, for a complete air duct cleaning service, as mentioned in this video, which includes, once again, cleaning with the power of the truck mount, cleaning of all the supply and return grills, cleaning of the supply and return ducts, cleaning of the unit and all its components, installation of access doors, and a complete decontamination of the system with a biodegradable product approved by Health Canada. This service is regularly priced at $649, but right now, you can take advantage of a promotional $100 rebate, reducing the price to $549. If you have more than 15 vents, each additional vent is $15. This is to cover the cleaning of the grill and the secondary duct that is connected to it, as seen earlier. Since the technicians are already on site, it's a good idea to take advantage of savings on other cleaning services, such as outdoor heat pump, bathroom exhausts, and dryer vent exhausts that help reduce fire risks, the air exchanger, and the AC wall unit. So this video should give you a good idea what to look for when shopping around and help you avoid scams. If you have any questions, call us anytime or simply fill out a free online quote on our website or by clicking the link. We're looking forward to serving you one day, and thank you for watching.